the way Brodamike no I cannot lay out video. We're not tired. We're not so this sister, I don't.
Area don scatter, oh my people. Hey, no be small thing, no. Brodamike don charge, oh. He don carry about, he don blow am, he don pieces am, he don break his head. No be small thing, my people. Una know say Abat come out about a few days ago when be say Sandoka carry his house come and say she build a new house. When Abat come dey talk nyama thing say mama onwe na ugbagwe mama onwe house na mama onwe build. So inside there now, he can't see trauma go give Brodamike. Now Brodamike come out. I go put the video for Namokuna see the kind beating way beat oh, I can't even dey sorry for Abat. Even ask me they watch the video, I can't dey sorry for and say, oh, why you go this side now? Why you can't go this side? This Abat frustration way enter body. No be yeah oh, because of say Obazee he don't go. As when you go down, you know, Abat don frustrate for a corner. So na so cry, can't they cry? Anybody wey be say you just see, you go just da come when they do high or what da come ya. Now they worry and so because if you go look at now, Sando cannot do anything. That one never say message to Abat one day because of say Abat get that spirit of jealousy. And if you just see say person they progress, the thing go dey pain now. I don't know why it be like that. Not be the same day the born una, not be the same day una the answer, not be the same God una they serve. Abat go just they cry for a person wey just say it they progress. I don't know what they do now. Now Brodamike come out, he can't give her woto. The kind woto way give her Oh, I even the pity for her. Make I put the video for her, make una watch. Please send me to love and like and share this video because too much of everything is bad. Abat don't beat everybody finish. Nobody be friend. If you know say you be Abat friend, if you just dey play one day when you go just see say you not see anybody carry you wey be say you be friend you carry you can't hit your head for grant. Anyway my people, make I put this Brodamike video make una see as it brutal. You have to say beat and blue black e pieces na bye for now.
You know the way Brodamike no I cannot lay out video. We're not tired. We're not so this sister, I don't understand. Start building mini duplex. Must you build duplex? I mean, nobody want to build duplex. My engineers are security post to build. But mental security post. Ubagwe asked me here today. Ubagwe.
Abat, you are very stupid and useless. You work with faith governor. We no fit do what for Edo State. Benin Maru Edo State, see the way Edo be. What do you achieve in your life after 8 years? You work as slave. Follow the governor. What do you achieve? Where is your property? Which business you have in Edo State? You are very useless and foolish and have the spirit of jealousy and not be the people in the bring down. And so stop to mention my name for your video. If not, you go understand the difference. Because of spirit of jealousy. See as you fool your Edo brothers online, your sisters online. You don't become the enemy of Edo State. See your life. Your life be like mirror, a foolish being. When they be this guy crime now, they get a build house. They say, who they celebrate, you not celebrate. Because of say you they envy and you possess with spirit of jealousy. Young boy like you see baby. The young boy, you're never up to 50 years. 45 they see baby. Because of spirit of jealousy, see your face. You don't hold for small picking. Now God go punish you. I swear. What the apple right now selling money? This young girl build house. Duplex for that matter. As material dear rich, she fit conquer the problem of the country. She build house. She post for her page. She no call your name. She no fight you. You carry the video, they analyze in their house. Say see where the window dey, see where the door dey. Whereas your house where you build, you even use ordinary zinc for your house. They no burn you where they will use. Even this mambo die zinc. You are a shame person after 8 years of government. You make your wife SSA, your pikin SSA, your family member, everybody SSA for governor. After all the money, last time your life see useless. So see, the reason why this guy dey vex for everybody now because say the people who he believe say they don't feel make am, they are making it. After all your hate and hatred, they are still moving forward. See your life now. Your life be like mirror dustbin. They swear for you so many things. You are now bullying your friends, bullying everybody. Only you are know how to do it right. Shame on you. Small pikin don't hold because of the spirit of jealousy. You be bad person. May God bless that young girl. May God allow that young girl have peace. Whatever thing she's doing, you'll be wicked person. And your wife, will they give you advice? Will they give you advice? No, as it is right now. You feel proud to come back to your father's land. You feel come and just stay now in peace. Only you and get problem with heavy body. If they bring people down, I'll be your last bus stop. If you are bringing people down, I'll be your last bus stop. You are a foolish man. Because of sake of number sake, you know, if you make a dough, they all right. If part of the money give you, you go UK, they are paying you every month. The reason why Obazee the best now be saying, they pay them every month before. Even if wife and a pikin, on a SSA to governor. They say, that's the secret. We know all this already. They are paying your wife, paying your pikin as SSA to governor. As I swear lose, because say Obazee cannot do road. He failed everybody. They don't know get road, no GRA for Edo State. Then Abba begin to cry. Say, I come about. APC don't win, no. I swear to God, 8 years more complete. If you like, they give your fans fake rumors, fake news online. 8 years must complete. No space and food for you. Go and walk like your mates in abroad. Try. God punish. If you mention my name again for your video, if the juju win a for you for no work, I'll tell you my own the work. I will deal with you in a spiritual way. God punish you. You man. Anybody which they follow Obazee, they analyze all the OT for Edo State, in fact, you are not a smart person. Obazee picking na SSA. He too picking na SSA. He wife SSA to governor. What be wife work? What be picking work? Even in himself na SSA to governor. How immediate team na SSA to governor? And they pack Edo revenue. Believe me or not, the reason why Obazee is best for me because of say I expose Obaseki. The first time this guy come meet me, they beg me, say, but I'm like, I beg. Forgive me. I can say, okay, fine, no, let the governor work. You see, even people, if you say, they give me money, give me money. No! But are you successful? Are you richer than even anybody? You came and mentioned my name for this video. You they mad? Because of they listen to the say, but I'm like, yes. As you don't want peace, you go burn by fire. As you don't want peace, fire will consume you. You are the enemy of Edo State. You don't want good thing. If your governor rule well just 3 months ago for you, why the fair road fail? See Ogege Road, see Palace Road, see Uwo Road, see Peanut Road, see Barak Place, see Ekanwa Road. It shall never be well with you. Let me so. I do say you support the failed governor. Even you and your governor there for live video, who they view you? The last time I helped you for promotion, I haven't given you my page to go live. May turn that sway you in that board. Let me so, as you turn yourself to become enemy of Edo State, imagine now, look, final. You get one man with the work for the APC right now. You call a hard barrel. You are that young man. Don't for no better pass. That young man with the analyze, the bully. So for no better pass. Shame on you. Now when they support Obazee, he's fighting for a personal interest. And I swear to God, by the power of the 7 heaven, they are declared, I swear must lose for God. I swear, he must lose for God. Bible clear. Good work. They provide good things. Governor Obaseki, he failed.